Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain you that how you can withdraw your ULX from your available wallet. So here you can see in the My Hub segments. So make sure you must turn off your auto staking on option so that you will get your ULX in your available wallet on 0.2% according to your base stake. So I click on the withdraw button and I already bind my BEP20 wallet address which is already on ULX scan and ULX swap. So I enter the withdraw amount. So here we go. So click on the withdraw, double check the payment, click on the withdraw button. Now I need to enter my 2FA. Make sure you already bind your account here. So need to go to the 2FA auth. So it's I have multiple account. Yes, this one is this one. So I click here. So I enter the 2FA, submit that. Now I enter my email verification code. So here I got my email verification, 7 digits. Just copy that, enter that. Now submit. Yes, close. Now I'm going to check my wallet. I refresh that page. So yes, it's already deducted from my available wallet balance. Now I'm going to check my address. I refresh this. So you see that I got 7,999. Make sure you add your mainnet in your decentralized wallet, whatever the wallet you are using. So you can import the setting from here, from GitHub. This is the setting. So I already have mainnet of Ultron. So these are the ULX. Now I'm going to discover button. So I enter ultronswap.com. I connect my wallet. After connecting the wallet, I go to bridge. So here I need to select Binance Smart Chain, and here I need to select wrapped ULX. Here you can see my balance, which is reflecting over here, 7,999. I click on max. Now I'm going to bridge this token so that it will be converted my wrapped ULX on Binance Smart Chain. So it's waiting for the transaction processing. It takes few seconds. I need to confirm payment and click again. Yes, transaction submitted. Good. So I go back my token pocket wallet and refresh. So it's already, you can see the zero balance. Now I will go back to my Binance Smart Chain because I bridge it with my Binance Smart Chain, and here I refresh my ULX balance. Yes, I have almost this balance, and you can see the previous last transaction over here. It's just confirming. Now it's confirming the transaction. So let me show you how you can turn into USDT. Just go to discover PancakeSwap. So here we go. So here I will select ULX. This is my total balance. Here I will select USDT over here, and make sure you have slippage tolerance almost 1% over here, and write down in round figures. For example, I want to convert only $100 just to show you, because I want to cash out on good price. Just click on swap. So I accept the price according to the current rates, confirm swap. So swapping 100 ULX. Now I can confirm the payment. So close. So it's processing my transaction. Yes, transaction done. So I can verify on the blockchain. Now I go back and let me show you this transaction, what I get in USDT. So this is the balance I got, just send a confirmation. So this is the simple procedure how you can withdraw your ULX and swap it into your USDT balance ultimately. See you in the next video.